Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Pokémon Go and making your buddy active. This ensures it appears near your trainer. Once done, tap your avatar and open the buddy menu to position or trigger an interaction. That controls the buddy's pose. Make sure the app has camera permissions and that battery saver is off so AR and camera functions work reliably. Otherwise, photos can be blocked or dimmed. Now you're set to enter the capture sequence immediately, so move to the in-game camera. You enter photo mode by tapping the camera icon or selecting AR Snapshot in the buddy screen. This opens the viewfinder with your buddy in scene. Then you compose the shot. Pinch to zoom, rotate to change angle, and slide to reposition both trainer and buddy. Do this to avoid cutting off limbs or faces. Make sure lighting and background are clear so the buddy stands out. If the game shows props or stickers, apply them to add context or personality. For a better find, you press the shutter when the pose and framing are right. Quick taps capture single shots, while holding may trigger bursts depending on device. After the snap, review the preview and tap save to write the image to your device gallery, or use the game's share options to post directly. If anything goes wrong, try a quick restart of Pokémon Go, confirm the app has storage and camera permissions, and clear temporary cache. This resolves most save or camera failures, so you can try again immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.